Effortless power. Effortless speed and power. What's going on, guys? Big day today. New bike day. Here we've got the Orbea Rise 2025 LT, and over there we've got the 2025 Orbea Rise SL. So we've got the long travel and the super light versions. So let's get into it, get them unboxed and see what we got. Right. Yep. Pretty sure that one's mine. Don't know weapon of mass destruction. So nicely packaged, to be fair. Let's get it out and inspect for any damage. Step one, wheel. Nice good spec. Got the 3C Max Grip and XO Plus. Feels slightly different to my Max Terry, you can tell it's a softer compound. Brakes looking nice. Some nice beasties on there, some 203s. Right. This next bit's going to be a bit interesting because I'm not sure I want to do it. And then you want what you can do. On to phase 2. So far, looking okay. So let's get this bad boy open and see what we got. First inspection, forks look good. No nicks, no scrapes. Poppity pop pop pop. Okay, frame looking good. Going for a closer look. So forks all looking okay. Framework looking good. Yeah, she's a beauty, isn't she? Ooh, 3 brake blockers. Nice. Coming from 27, you instantly notice the size difference. Bit of jiggly pokery going on there. Oh, sexual moves. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, got some tools. Have a look at her. Frame is looking very nice. So I upgraded the shock to Float X and the forks to 36 Performance, and the stock suspension on the H20 wasn't great. The stock saddle was not the best according to reviews, and it feels pretty brutally solid. So I've gone for the Specialized Bridge Comp Mimic. Got fantastic reviews online and you can instantly feel the difference. So we got the new saddle on, as I said. Designed to imitate the body's response to different types of pressure and create equilibrium within the soft tissue. By soft tissue, I'm guessing gooch or testicles. Gonna get the handlebars on now. There's a important message to make sure that this connector, not sure if you can see it, is kept inside the handlebars, I'm guessing for water ingress. And then obviously with them being carbon, I've got some nice little carbon assembly paste just to get that adhered at a lower torque setting. put the handlebars on. A little bit of adjustment, nice bit of carbon paste on there, torque tightened to 4 Newton meters. Slightly lower than you would on an alloy for obvious reasons. No actual torque specs on here, which I was surprised at. Fiddly little bit was getting this little connector under here. Did that wrong first time. There's a little gap for it to slot through there, so that's gone in nice. And then yeah, just brake adjustment and gear shifter adjustment now, and then I'm almost there, guys. And oh yeah, pedals, might need them. So there we have it, new bike day. Right then, YouTube. First run out on the eaves. Trying to get run over. So in trail, decent gradient. You still feel the resistance on the legs, but nowhere near as much as on an analog. Put it in boost for shits and gigs. Oh damn! Oh, that picks up good. Oh, good man. Just experimenting with the modes. It's just like effortless in boosting it. When you drop it down to trail, you can feel the resistance a bit more.
Can you change your parameters at all or not?
Yeah, I haven't bothered now. I've just left them as preset.
You've got factory settings, right?
Yeah, and I've left it in the RS mode.
Okay.
So you can put it in RS Plus, takes it up to 80 Newton meters. In the 85, sorry, in the standard it just runs at 60.
Okay.
So we just pedalled up, chatting away, and didn't realise we'd left well behind. Literally a good 50 metres behind. It's just insane how much extra power it gives you without even realising. So that was only in trail, so first impressions in terms of just ease and power is pretty damn good. See how we do on the downs. First runs and all that. You can definitely tell I'm on a bigger bike. Definitely tell I'm on a bigger rig.
Yeah.
In good ways in some and weird in others. She's wet, isn't she? Go on, mate, sorry. Well, good man.
Yeah.
Suspension's insane.
Yeah.
Massive. That's a massive difference.
Set it up, though? Oh, you just gonna fly it first, did you?
Yeah, I just literally run it. I set it up at the shop based on my weight and all that, but obviously need to tune it.
I'm ready.
First run down, decent. A little bit getting used to. Now first run up, it's just night and day. Hello.
Bye bye. Alright, mate.
This is awful, this is. Terrible. This thing is absolutely unbelievable. I'm ripping up here. Pretty sure there's a peak cadence he meant to be hitting. That means my cadence is too high. Yeah. So, top tip, and I'm getting Orbea, you can link it to your Garmin products, so you don't have to have this display. Another 135 quid. Link it up to your watch and everything's there. Battery range, mode, cadence, pretty good. Nearly made it to the top of a Carpin record to Alan. Even left the other, he's behind. Nice. So like a dickhead, I said, well, do you want to go, mate? And now they're pushing his bike up and he's fucked off. I did tell him to do it, but bad decision. Beep, beep, beep. Nearly washed. Maybe it's tricky today. Oh, that was horrible. That was a wee bit slipper, wasn't it?
Nearly died then, man.
Same, I got my balls caught between my seat and my tyre. Just got absolutely wedged in there, like, yeah. It was nice. Now, decided to come to the Monkey. Give the Eve a proper run. Will stayed at Cop. Just to session that. Fair enough. The power is just, if I can put it into words, it's insanity. So this is 60 newton meters that I'm running at the moment in turbo. I don't understand how anyone would need more than this in terms of power. Obviously that's coming from someone who's reasonably fit. So I guess if you weren't in that category, then perhaps you would need the 85, but generally speaking, it's more than enough. I'm running this in trail now, I'm just pootling along effortlessly. Definitely noticing the longer bike in the wheel size. Something I'm going to have to adapt to, but definitely feels more planted and safe. Just obviously less agile, but they go hand in hand. Brakes need bedding in, as you can hear. But yeah, overall, really fucking impressed, mate. Sure you gonna hit them? No, made it. Yeah, wider bars as well, so a few sucking sea moments in some of the trees, I think. Oh, she nasty. Felt good down there. Very nice indeed. Surprisingly popping kicky for a heavier bike. I mean, this is just silliness. It's effortless. Don't get me wrong, I got a little bit of a blow on, but chatting waffle to the camera, mate. boy. It's a lot harder when you're in beast. Trees to be interesting on the wider bars. Oh my god, this bike just eats it. Eats it for breakfast, boy. Oh, she's nasty. Hello. Fair play. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Nope. Oh dear, my handlebars appear to have turned completely. I've got technical difficulties. My entire headset somehow shifted. Yeah, it's just loose, but I don't understand how it came loose. I didn't actually hit anything. There's all that f***ing tight there last time, wasn't there? It's not been a good little journey for Jake and this little black. My bars got loose and they were like this.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Now, how have you died? I don't know. I just looked down, my axle was halfway out the fucking front.
Shit.
This is like hanging out the front now. Right.
I'm gonna go back and check the shit out of this. Right then, let's see if I can fit through here then. Oh, just about. Tight though. Matt on the other hand. You're a bit stuck, mate. Yeah. Should be coming round the mountain. She comes. Oh my god, it is not it. Yeah. I mean, effortless power. Effortless speed and power. It's a limiter pretty quick there. Right, we'll take it out of base because that's just stupid power, which is sometimes going to get you into more trouble than it's worth. One thing I'm learning is that when you change mode, you have to change gears as well, which obviously makes sense, but just not something your brain's used to doing at the moment. Pretty hard fun that section is, to be fair. Absolutely dying up here last week. Still in the wrong gear though. Maybe that's better. E-bikes are stupid. Absolute redonkulous. I think this is the right way. Hey, come on, fucking it on. Yeah. Yeah, that was well fun. You got walk mode on yours? I don't know how to use it. I know I've got it, I just can't figure out how to use it. Yeah. So I think you hold it, you press it, and then press and hold it whilst you want to do it. But I haven't quite mastered it yet. Brakes work. Hello. Oh. Unbelievable, mate. It's just stupid. It's literally stupid. The monkey.
Chilling and stuff. Stopping it.
Not much. No idea. It just came in like a wrecking ball. Alright, mate.
Cool down there, mate.